G'day, I'm Lewis Meeny and I've got some awesome building hacks for you today. I'll be showing you how you can integrate your building blocks with items around your home, like this building block pencil pot. For the base layer, we're going to start with a layer of these 2x3s and we're going to arrange them in a sort of octagon, so angling each brick with a 45-degree difference to the one next to it. To lock this layer in, we're going to take a layer of 1x3s and connect the outside of these bricks, and we'll work our way around connecting each of these 8 individual segments. So that is our initial ring with 8 bricks per layer, and now all we have to do is repeat this pattern until we get the height that we want. Now that we have our completed pencil pot, all we're missing is some pencils. And there you have it, another building hack to help you create more awesome builds. Grab your free building blocks when you buy 8 litres or more of accent paint. Show us what you can build and you could win. Visit the website for more details, plus masterclass videos and more handy building hacks with me. It's time to get building.